In the hollow throat of night, where silence forgets its name, I hear fragments of light breaking, falling like broken hymns across time. Storms are not born, they are awakened. I learn to breathe thunder into existence, to stitch lightning through the veins of the sky, until the heavens forget how to be still. There are two shadows inside me, one that remembers, one that destroys, and neither agrees to die quietly. Across the edge of eternity, I walk on words that no one dares to speak. Each syllable a fracture, each thought a collapsing star. If light has a cycle, then I am its hesitation. The pause between creation and ruin, the trembling before meaning collapses. I touched the dark, and it did not resist. Instead it multiplied inside my hands like a universe learning how to scream. Somewhere between orbit and absence, between truth and distortion, I became the sound of drifting dust, not lost, not found, just becoming. And when the storm finally listens to me, it does not roar. It remembers my voice as its origin.